Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a grapefruit. So of course you want to just start off by, well, I peel around like the perimeter and then I leave like a little room, as you can see, and I like grip the top and rip the whole top part off because I find that that's just the easiest. And from there, you're just going to continue to take off the peel. We can find a place, hold me till the dawn, a million miles away. Now it's time to get rid of that thin, like white layer of skin that is pretty bitter. That's where you get that bitterness taste. And we're just going to take that all off. And now it's time to peel it open, and then in the middle there's like a stringy, more white, bitter part, so I take that out and more on the bottom. Once you have all the, or most of the bitter part, you can work wedge by wedge. So here I'm just taking one wedge, and then I just like to rip off the sides first, and then yeah, just peel it down, and you are just left with this yummy, juicy grapefruit wedge. Like, look at that, delicious. I try to get the most shield, and look at that, it looks so good. So I try to do a close-up for you guys. So if the grapefruit is completely sealed, I pinch just like a small bit off the top. Sorry for the blurriness, but I just pinch it and take off a little until I'm able to get that like whole side piece. And make sure you're very gentle so you don't rip the wedge. And yeah, you just peel it down. And that's pretty much what's to it. I know some people like doing the grapefruit spoon and just cutting it in half, but I don't know. I'm not about that life. This is how I do it. This is how I like it. So, yeah. Lead me astray. Got you in my system. Yeah, I've been waiting. Show me to your kingdom. We can find a place. Hold me till the dawn. A million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me lay out in your sunrise. I love the way it makes me come alive. I wanna stay right in your paradise. Don't let me fall. You've got me floating now. I'll get shaped right there on your side. And you guys, that is pretty much it. You're left with all these delicious grapefruit wedges that you can just pop in your mouth. And this grapefruit was so sweet. Like, oh man. They have been on sale, and I've been super just like happy and enjoying them, and they taste so good. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and visit my website at thefoodvoyagerblog.com.